students. In this video I am going to prove the basic proportionality theorem. It is also called Thales theorem. In the previous video I explained the practical example, practically how to prove this theorem. Now we have to prove by giving reasons. This is very important theorem. When we are proving the theorem, the reasons are very important. Here, what is the theorem here? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in two distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If you observe this diagram, here ABC is a triangle, DE parallel to BC. This is the given. My dear students, this is very important. Every statement has two parts. Every statement, particularly theorems, are having two parts. What is the two parts? Given part and conclusion part. Given part means what are the given conditions. First of all, you have to pick out the given conditions. After that, what is the conclusion? Here, what is the given conditions in this case? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, this is the given. And it is two distinct points. Here, triangle 2 intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. These are two distinct points on side AB and AC. These are all given conditions. It is one part of the theorem. Next, what is the conclusion part? Conclusion part is the other two sides are divided. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the conclusion part. This is very important. While we are reading the theorem, we have to observe what is the given conditions, what are the conclusion parts. Conclusion parts are RTP. RTP means required to prove. So first of all, you divide like that. First, what are the given condition you have to write? Given condition. By using the triangle. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. So D and E are 2 points on AB and AC. D, E are 2 points on AB and AC respectively. So this is the first part. This is the given part. Next, RTP. RTP means RTP. What is the full form of RTP? Required to prove. Which one we have to prove? That is the conclusion part. What is the conclusion part here? The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Same ratio means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So students, this is very important. Here if you divide like this, you can get the at least half of the marks. So this is very important. You have to divide the two parts. This is very important. Next, you go construction. if it is necessary, you go to construction. That is the third step. Fourth step is proof. That is very important. Proof is very important. In the proof, we will give the reasons. Construction, sometimes it is a need, sometimes may not be need. So here, we will prove this theorem in two methods. First of all, I want to prove this theorem by using the similarity of triangles. By using the conditions of similarity. Already we discussed that. By using the conditions of similarity and similar triangles, by using the similar triangles, how to prove this theorem. This is the easy method and first method. What is that? When we are using this similarity, need not to construct anything. Here, directly you can write the proof. Here you separate two triangles. In triangle ADE, triangle ABC. You divide two triangles, ADE and ABC. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. ADE and ABC are similar. Already we learned the conditions. AAA condition is there, SSS condition is there, SAS condition is there. Which one is possible in this case? We have three options. Out of three options, which is suitable in this case? AAA or SSS or SAS. Here AAA is very easy. It is possible. How? Here angle A is equal to angle A. This is the common. We have to mention the reason. In both triangles, ADE triangle and ABC triangle, A is common. After that, DE parallel to BC, that is the given. DE parallel to BC. So, angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. Corresponding angles. Since DE parallel to BC. And one more, angle E is equal to angle C. This same condition. Corresponding angles are equal. Here angle E is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle A. Therefore, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC by AAA similarity. By AAA similarity, we can take triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Now, when we can satisfy one condition, then automatically we can take the corresponding sides are proportional. What are the corresponding sides here? Actually, triangle ADE, triangle ABC. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. We got this proportionality. But actually, my dear students, here we have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We got AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. How to prove this one? Now, I will take the reciprocals of this one. Reciprocals. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Reciprocals. I am taking reciprocals. After that, AB by AD. AB, what is the AB actually? AB is two parts, AD plus DB. Here, AB you divide AD plus DB by AD. Here also we can divide AC, AE plus AE plus EC, EC by AE. AE. Understood? Here AD by AB, we should take the reciprocals. AB is two parts, AD plus DB by AD, AE plus EC by AE. After that, you divide this one, AD by AD plus DB by AD. Here, AE by AE plus EC by AE. AD plus DB by AD. You divide two fractions. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. Ultimately, what is the answer here? 1 plus DB by AD is equal to 1 plus EC by AE. 1 automatically these two are cancelled. Now DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. We got this ratio. Now again you take reciprocals. What are the reciprocals of this? AD by DB. I will write here, students, DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. You take reciprocals, then you can take AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. So we got the RTP, hence proved. This is proved.